Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies have a new van. Kitty's come to visit. It's a Fisher-Price blue van. And speaking of vehicles, a car is a vehicle. C is for car that drives around town. This is a bright red car. The Teletubbies' new van has a license plate that says FP, that stands for Fisher-Price, and a heart, and 1, 2, 3. Let's open up the back. There's a small space for storage. We can fit some little objects inside there. The back seat flips up in case there's some extra people coming along for a ride. We're going to need it flipped up today, and Po's going to ride in the back seat. Dipsy's going to drive today, and Tinky Winky's riding in the front seat with Dipsy. Everyone wear their seatbelts, and there's one more spot left for Lala beside Po. Let's go. The fair's in town. We're going to go for a ride. We shut all the doors, and we put our chairs on the top of the car. The Teletubbies have arrived at the fair. Look, it's a rocket ship ride, and it spins. 2 Teletubbies can sit in the chairs while watching the other 2 ride the rocket ship. Who's going to go first? Po's going in the blue rocket, and Dipsy's going in the red rocket ship. Lala and Dipsy will watch in the chairs. Oh no, they weren't strapped in, so they fell out of the ride. I hope they're okay. That was very dangerous. Next time put the strap on, Po and Dipsy. Now Lala and Tinky Winky are going to go on. This time they're going to make sure they're on properly. Please keep your hands and your head inside the ride for safety purposes. Po pulls up the vehicle. It's time to go. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hey and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with the Teletubbies, but where is Lala and Dipsy? Let's go up. Up, up, there they are. Come on down. Let's go down the slide. Whee! Whee! Oh, Lala, are you okay? Okay. The Teletubbies would love to give a gift to the new kittens, since the kittens are named after Po and Lala. Noo Noo's going to go get the gift for the kittens. Will it fit through the door? It's soft, so it's going to fit. And it's a crinkle ball, so there's this little silver paper that makes a fun sound. There's pink, green, red, yellow, blue. Thank you, Teletubbies. Let's go see the kittens. The kittens are behind this white door. They have their own special room so they can stay out of trouble when they're little. And here is cute, fluffy Po. Let's see what she thinks of the ball. She says, not sure what this is. Then she starts to kick it around like a little soccer ball. Lala is sitting on top of the post watching her sister. Here you go, Lala. What do you think? Oh, and here comes Po. She likes the crinkle ball. And Po grabs the little ball with her mouth and takes it from her sister. She loves it. Poor Lala, she's just trying to have a turn with the new ball, and she jumps onto the floor and her foot ends up in the bowl of water. Let's watch in slow motion. She decides it's not worth trying to play with the ball, so she goes and finds her little toy hamster instead. And Po feels a little tuckered out from all that playing, and now Lala gets a turn with the crinkle ball. Thanks for joining us today. Bye-bye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Ayo, and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with the Teletubbies at their Veggie Garden. Remember when we planted seeds with the Teletubbies? We'll show you later what those seeds have turned into. It's quite exciting to grow a garden. Let's see what the Teletubbies are growing. Oh, Po planted some carrots. Let's go see what our carrots look like now, Po. And these are the teeny tiny carrot plants. They won't be ready until the fall. They take a long time to grow. She also planted some yummy strawberries, one of her favorite fruits. Let's go see our strawberry plants. I've already eaten one fresh strawberry from our plant this year. Here are the strawberry plants. Dipsy has planted romaine lettuce. I planted lots of lettuce this year since we eat salads every night at dinner. Our lettuce is getting bigger and bigger every day. Soon it'll be ready to pick. Tinky Winky planted tomatoes. I planted some cherry tomatoes and some larger tomatoes. Is tomato a fruit or a vegetable, Tiny fans? Tiny Treasures Minnie just asked me the other day, and tomato is a fruit. And this year we planted our tomato plants in a big pot on our front step. Lala loves yellow sunflowers, so she planted some this year, and also some corn. She used organic, non-GMO seeds. That's important when you're eating or planting corn. With lots of sunlight and clean water, the Teletubbies garden grew and they have beautiful fruit and vegetables. We have some strawberries, carrots, looks like they're ready, some romaine lettuce for our salads, some juicy red tomatoes, and some organic corn. Tiny fans, fresh fruits and vegetables taste so much sweeter from the garden when you grow them yourself. All right, it's time to say goodbye. Did you see Kitty earlier in the video? We sure miss her dearly. But we still have our little kitty to remind us of her. If you missed her, you can go back and have a look. And thank you for all of the beautiful messages on our Facebook page, wishing us love and hugs and the legacy that Kitty left. Love you, tiny fans.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies are going to share with us their bouncy ball collection. Here come the bouncy balls. Oops! Sorry, Po, that one bounced on your head. I caught all of the bouncy balls in the basket. Let's have a closer look at them. I used to collect bouncy balls when I was younger. Ooh, I like these ones with stars. They're extra squishy. And I used to have one that had rainbow glitter in it. And this one doesn't feel like all of the other ones. It's very soft and made of a foam material. And it's a rainbow bouncy ball. Now, one of these balls isn't bouncy at all. It's actually a marble. Can you tell which one's the marble? The marble is made of glass. Ooh, I showed. Okay, Po, you find the marble. Oh, I think Po found the marble. Good job, Po. It's a white speckled marble, and it's a big one, too. It's time to clean up so they don't get lost. Can you sing our cleanup song while the Teletubbies clean up? Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Good job, Teletubbies, and thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Woo! Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are here with the Teletubbies. And do you know what this is, Tiny fans? I love these. This is called a snow globe. And what's inside? It's a polar bear. Now, a snow globe is usually made of glass. You can sort of hear that sound glass makes when you gently tap it. You don't want to tap it too hard because it can crack. And there's liquid inside. It's not just water. There's usually something called glycerin. That's how we make our snow globes here at home. And there's snow inside. You ready to shake it up and watch the snow fall on the polar bear? Shake. We'll dump it upside down. Oh, look at all of the snow. And there's some glitter in there. And then we flip it. Whoa! And it slowly floats around and drops back to the ground. Shall we give it one more shake? Shake, 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 shake. Tip. We want to be careful. It's quite heavy. Wow. It's so relaxing to watch, isn't it? Now, before we go, I'm going to share one fun fact about polar bears. Even though their fur is white, they have black skin. Can you believe that, Tiny fans? And and they stay warm in those icy cold climates where they have their fur and their blubber that keeps them warm. All right, tiny fans, I just wanted to share this treasure with you today, and thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Noo Noo's out in the yard today having fun in the grass. But Noo Noo's lost his favorite teddy bear that he sleeps with. Let's go find it, Noo Noo. It's not in the herb garden. Oh, look at all of our lovely herbs coming up. There's some dill, and our chives have already blossomed. I think I'm going to eat a chive right now. They're so good for you. Maybe Teddy's in the wheelbarrow. Be careful. Don't fall over, Noo Noo. No, Teddy's not in the wheelbarrow. Let's keep looking. Maybe Teddy's by the red mushroom. Oh, there's Teddy. And it's the perfect size for Noo Noo. Noo Noo's all tucked into bed with Teddy. Now it's time to read a nursery rhyme from a book that I had as a child called The Real Mother Goose. We're going to read a nursery rhyme you may have heard before called The Cat and the Fiddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Good night, Noo Noo. Good night, Teddy. And good night, Tiny fans. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.